Amatrol's EV Battery Precision Inspection Learning System teaches the operation and use of various measurement tools used in electric vehicle battery production. The concepts and skills covered in the curriculum of this training system prepare learners to take on vital roles in EV factories and ensure the quality, functionality, and longevity of their products. The 910 QC4 is a tabletop workstation that comes equipped with a variety of measurement tools that users will encounter on the job. These include a digital micrometer, metric rule, digital height gauge, digital microscope, and more. A beaker set, a master parts set, and a computer data collection software are also included. The in-depth curriculum covers a variety of relevant topics, such as basic dimensions and tolerancing, how to set up, calibrate, and use multiple types of measurement tools, and how to record and view measurement data on data collection software. Users will also practice important hands-on skills, such as using a plug gauge and a ring gauge to verify part acceptance, using a benchtop weight scale to weigh solid and liquid materials, using a digital caliper to measure outside and inside part dimensions, and many more. For more information on Amatrol's EV Battery Precision Inspection Learning System, or any of our other related EV products, please contact your Amatrol representative today.